Hello GMs and adventurers! For those unfamiliar with our project, RPG Stories is a 3D virtual tabletop featuring a massive world builder covering all three major tabletop RPG eras: fantasy, modern, and sci-fi. Our project got 350% funded in October 2022, and this is our monthly dev diary vlog so that everyone can keep track of our dev progress. If you want to be up to date, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel or join our Discord server. Although we promised to deliver the project by October 2023, our goal is to give you the full version a lot earlier than promised. Now let's break down all our current progress. Number 1. Programming. As mentioned in our previous video, we finished our code refactoring, and this led us to start bringing the UI back into our build, improving it and polishing it. UX-wise, we followed our backers' feedback and we added a separate UI category for our manual building collection. Status: done. We highly improved our custom lighting scenarios for the 3D scene. You are now able to choose from a huge collection of lighting and weather scenarios and then change the sun's position, but also set the daytime. As you can see in this example, we also added skyboxes, and now you can see the sky. More options are on the way, plus we are now implementing weird and more complex skyboxes for sci-fi games. Status: 80% done. We also updated our search and tag system. Now you can see the name of the object, but also in which package and tags it belongs. This will help you build scenes using objects from the same asset package. Status: done. Our new wall system is ready, and we spent some time bringing all the walls to the same height, creating a smart system that also helps you combine walls from different eras. Status: done. Another big update is that we finished our save system. That means that whatever you create and save in RPG Stories will be functional no matter what updates we will make in the future. In addition, we updated the save load window from that crude one to this polished one. Status: done. Our World Builders 3D scene grid is updated. From now on, this grid will be used only for world building. This is done, and we will now start working on the play mode grid. Basically, that means that when in gameplay mode, you will be able to bring in the gaming grid and customize it to your game's rules. Number 2. Art. Since in October we re-imported and improved the textures of all our pre-Kickstarter model props, this month we only focused on bringing new ones in. So what's new? New graveyard buildings that can be used for both modern and fantasy era. New medieval houses and buildings. A new sci-fi package, a little bit darker this time. Egyptian style setting. A new medieval style castle. Apart from this, for those who prefer going 2D, we created our first 2D tokens collection. Plus, we gathered all the 2D maps we will have within RPG Stories, all created by Nutbones. Check them out. Number 3. Design and production. This month, we got invited to AthensCon, a famous Greek event to talk about Kickstarter projects and give advice to others. Our producer, Chrisa, attended it and had a lot of fun there, leaving us back to working like slaves while she was basically chatting. We also completed our huge Excel where we finally noted down all the monsters, models and VFX we need to implement in order to deliver exactly what was promised. A VTT where you will be able to build and play any tabletop RPG. Finally, our marketplace is up and running. There you can pre-order RPG Stories GM version or players versions or player seats. By pre-ordering, you will get your hands on our first World Builder Early Access. That's all for November. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and do not forget to join our Discord server and get to meet our awesome community and of course our team. Bye all!
RPG Stories. It's all about your stories.